Shivam is the character Daisy from Oswald, who is a skinny person and a sports enthusiast.
I think Shivam is like Satya Nadella because that's where he's gonna be in a couple of years.
Shivam is like Charles Boyle from Brooklyn Nine-Nine because, like Boyle, we can say that Shivam is not like physically gifted or mentally gifted in that aspect, but then he is a very hardworking kind of individual and hard works his way through the things that he wants to achieve. At the same time, he is very highly emotional, like Boyle is known to be, and at the same time, he values friendship very highly, and that's why I think that Shivam is Charles Boyle.
I think Shivam is like Popat Lal because he's as thin as him. He is as analytical like a journalist, and he's also a Popat.
I think Shivam is like Vasuli Bhai from Golmaal. कितने भाई समझ में आया?
I think Shivam is one who thinks himself of an Hardik Pandya who has a lot of muscle strength and can clear boundaries at his will. But the fact is that he is just a pujara जो सिर्फ नीचे से ही मार सकता है और एक एक दो दो रन निकाल सकता है, क्योंकि वो छक्के मारने की जो बात रहती है ना, वो उसमें नहीं है.
Shivam is like Carl Fredricksen from Up because a few helium balloons are enough to take him high up in the sky.
Shivam is the actual definition of Farhani trait rajulization because, like Rancho, he's an all-rounder, sub mein first, and like Farhan, he's an awesome and trustworthy friend, and Raju की तरह हमेशा रोता रहता है वो. Hence, he's exact example of Farhani trait rajulization.
According to me, Shivam is Ka from movie because he is the son of Beatty.
Shivam is like overachiever from Honest Campus because even after achieving so high grades, so high pointer, he is always crying, नहीं यार इतना तो क्या है, कुछ नहीं है ये. And even after getting placed in Microsoft, he is always so subtle कि नहीं यार Microsoft ही तो लगा है, इसमें क्या होता है. So technically he is an overachiever from batchmates Somaya.
Hi guys, तो आई फील दैट शिवम का जो पर्सनैलिटी है वो ज़्यादा सलमान खान से मैच करता है. नाउ द रीज़न बीइंग इज, आप देखेंगे कि सलमान खान का एकदम एटीट्यूड है, स्टाइल है, तो जब शिवम भी कॉलेज में एंटर करता है उसका स्टाइल तो देखने लायक रहता है. मतलब मैं फर्स्ट ईयर से उसको देख रहा हूँ तो फर्स्ट ईयर से मतलब लाइन लगी होती है कि शिवम भाई चालू होता है सब जगह पे, और क्या मतलब एकदम चार्मिंग पर्सनालिटी है. सो क्यूट ही इज शिवम.
Shivam is like the character Meena from Kota Factory, just like Shivam, वो भी गाँव से आया है, and I think is very smart and intelligent like Shivam, and also उसका innocence and उसका kindness and the kind of friendship he shows towards everybody is very similar to Meena. Also, the way he teaches everybody with lots of details, like पहले चित्र को देखो and all, and lots of other dialogues like दोस्ती कोई रिविजन थोड़ी है जो करनी ही चाहिए. I think that's something that reciprocates with Shivam. So yeah.
I feel Shivam is like Willy Wonka from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory because if given a chance, he'd feed just on chocolates.
I think Shivam is like Hansraj Hathi because he is so fat and always ready to say ये तो बराबर है and other nonsensical things at any point of time.
I feel like Shivam is like चाचा चौधरी. उसका दिमाग बहुत दौड़ता है बट वो नहीं दौड़ पाता है.
I think that Shivam is like Noddy because like Noddy is always there for his friends and anyone who's in need of help, and he's always empathetic towards people around him, so that's what makes him a really great person.
I think Shivam is like Kamlesh because दोनों भाग क्या है, डन 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 डन.
I think Shivam is like Shivam Passe. He is a celebrity himself. He is the opener of Cops Cricket Shield team and the one and only athletics champion, the sprinter, Mr. Cheetah. And also soon
he'll be heading Microsoft as well. So yeah, there's no one to compare